DJI has been on an impressive roll this year. With the Mini 5 Pro drone, the Osmo Nano, and a string of major camera refreshes, the company's 20-25 lineup reads like a statement of intent and assertion that DJI wants to dominate every visual storytelling category it touches. Now, the long-awaited DJI Osmo Action 6 is finally ready to make its entrance. After months of supply chain whispers, FCC filings, and test unit leaks, the Osmo Action 6 is set for an official reveal around October 24, 2025, with availability expected in early November. So, what is DJI offering? Let's take one final look. While the Osmo Action 5 Pro was an incremental refinement of its predecessor, the Action 6 is shaping up to be a true generational leap. It brings together DJI's most advanced imaging technologies from its drones and pocket gimbals, packaged in a form designed to endure crashes, splashes, and chaotic environments. At the core sits the much-discussed 1-inch CMOS sensor, a first for an action camera in this class. It's the same sensor class used in DJI's Osmo Pocket 3 and Mini 5 Pro, now optimized for compact, high-intensity shooting. That single upgrade promises a major boost in image fidelity, low-light detail, and overall tonal depth. Early test leaks show footage with noticeably better highlight control and color separation in shadowed scenes, suggesting more than 13 stops of dynamic range when shooting in 10-bit D-Log-M color profile. The result? A camera capable of retaining cinematic detail in harsh daylight or dim underwater scenarios, situations that usually push smaller sensors to their limits. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just about better light capture. It's also a horsepower upgrade for serious shooters. Rumors point to 8K at 30 FPS recording, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and 4K at 120 FPS modes, allowing slow-motion footage that still looks detailed and fluid. Even 10 to 80 pence at 240 frames per second is on the table for extreme slow-mo work. This range of resolutions mirrors what we've seen from high-end action competitors, yet DJI's advantage lies in how it handles that data. The Action 6 reportedly uses a new image pipeline with improved heat dissipation, allowing longer continuous 8K recording without throttling, something even flagship GoPros struggle to maintain. Color accuracy also gets a lift. DJI's revised D-Log-M color space expands grading flexibility in post-production, giving creators headroom to shape their footage rather than being locked into the overly processed look typical of action cameras. It's a small but crucial nod to professionals who want to mix footage from drones, mirrorless cameras, and action cams seamlessly in one color-matched timeline. RockSteady 4.0 and Horizon Intelligent Stabilization has always been DJI's secret sauce, and the Action 6 doubles down on that strength. The latest RockSteady 4.0 system employs AI-driven horizon detection and scene analysis to maintain a perfectly level frame, even when the camera flips, rolls, or banks sharply. This is a notable step beyond RockSteady 3 Plus, and even the enhanced version found in the Action 5 Pro, which occasionally struggled with rapid orientation changes. In practical terms, the footage looks unnervingly stable. Mountain bikers, skiers, and skydivers testing early prototypes reported near gimbal-grade smoothness, even without external mounts. The system's Horizon Steady 360-degree mode also allows full rotation shots without disorienting tilt, keeping the viewer's perspective locked on the horizon. The Action 6 enhances smartwatch integration by turning your watch into a wireless control hub. Early testers noted an Osmo Action 6 interface, allowing users to start, stop recording, and switch modes directly from their wrist. This feature benefits athletes like bikers, divers, and runners who can monitor stats without touching the camera. DJI aims for seamless inter-device synergy, supporting Garmin, Apple Watch, and select third-party wearables. This means you could see dive depth, cadence, and heart rate data integrated into your footage, an exciting direction for DJI. Ruggedness has always defined the Osmo line, but the Action 6 refines it with subtle yet meaningful improvements. The camera is waterproof to 20 meters straight out of the box. No protective case required. That's double the waterproof rating of most competitors and makes it dive-ready for shallow to moderate depths. Control ergonomics also evolved dual touchscreens front and back, now feature higher brightness and glove-friendly responsiveness, ideal for cold weather or underwater use. The buttons have been re-engineered for tactile feedback, ensuring operation with wet or gloved hands. DJI has also designed new quick-release mounting adapters, simplifying transitions between helmet, bike, and chest mounts. Combined with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C for rapid data transfer or live HDMI output, the Action 6 feels more creator-centric than any Osmo before it. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of small form-factor cameras, but the Action 6's 19 to 50 mAh battery changes that conversation. DJI claims it can record up to 4 hours of continuous 4K video, roughly a 25 to 30% improvement over the Action 5 Pro. Charging is faster too. USB-C PD 3.0 now supports quick charge, bringing the battery to 80% in just 18 minutes. For longer expeditions, the Adventure Combo Kit adds extra batteries and a protective carrying case. Internally, the Action 6 is expected to feature 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, supplemented by a microSD slot supporting cards up to 1 terabyte. That built-in buffer is a subtle but important quality-of-life upgrade. It ensures that even if you forget your SD card, the camera won't let you miss the moment. Pricing leaks from multiple retail partners indicate DJI will keep things aggressively competitive. The standard combo, including the camera, one battery, and essential mounts, is expected between $329 and $429, while the Adventure Combo adds extra batteries, rugged mounts, and a protective case for $479 to $579. This strategy undercuts high-end rivals like the GoPro Hero 13 Black and Insta360 Ace Pro 2, while matching or exceeding them on core specs. DJI seems intent on setting the benchmark not only for performance but also for value, effectively redefining what the mid-tier action camera market should offer in 2025. Thank you for tuning in. The DJI Osmo Action 6 aims to revolutionize action cameras with drone-quality imaging, AI stabilization, and smart integration. It emphasizes real-time connectivity, shifting focus from just capturing moments to merging with them. And come late October, that future will finally arrive. Do you see it the same way? Join the discussion in the comments.